Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy. Today we're stuffing our first paycheck of July. It's not a lot of stuffing because like I said, I've cut a lot of my stuffing that I was doing, and we're gonna go over our budget for the week first. So I figured I will do that since I don't have a lot of stuffing. So going forward, my video will be a little different. We'll start off by going over the budget for the week and do our stuffing. So if that's something you would like to see, stay tuned. Here we go. So today, oh, I just left this here so you can see my new cover for my budget binder. Isn't that pretty? This is a cover from that I got on Amazon from the Happy Planner, and I think it's so pretty. So we're gonna put that to the side, and now we have my weekly budget. So I budgeted my paycheck to be $900. It was actually $903.48. And we also have a carryover of $94.14. And with my extra income of $150, my total for the week would be $1,147.62. Out of that, we're gonna be doing sinking fund, stuffing, and wallet total of $500. We're gonna put $200 towards rent, $40 for travel, which I'm giving the person that I ride with to work, so that's for gas money pretty much. And we're gonna pay $400 on our Discover card. So our total expenses should be, let me get my calculator since I can't count in front of the camera. So we have 200 plus 40 plus 500 plus 400, and we'll be spending a total of $1140. And I mean, I have other things that may come in for the week, but we're just going by the bills. So total expenses is $1,040, which leaves us only $7.62 left. So $1140 is our expenses. And since we're going to pay these actual, this is actual already. I'm not sure how much we'll pay for gas yet, so we'll leave that. I will be putting $200 towards the rent, and I will be paying $400 towards my credit card. And this total for my wallet is already included in the total for sinking funds and savings challenges. And then we have our breakdown for what I'm stuffing today. My stuff in my 100 envelope, my mystery challenge. Just because I had extra money, I put in the monthly challenge, 2 of the monthly challenges, and then my usual savings, my $10,000 savings, my emergency fund, and my $25 challenge. So I'm going to put this to the front so I can see my breakdown. So we're stuffing a total of $225 in cash and $275 in fund money. So we're going to put this to the side. And whoops, sorry about that. So we're stuffing a total of $225. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 280, no, 180. 85, 90, 95, 100. So that's 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we're stuffing 225. So we're going to add this here. So the first thing we're going to stuff is our 100 envelope challenge. And today we're stuffing number 77. And once we're stuffed 77, we have just 76 left in this box. So like I said in my one of my prior videos, I'm going to try to get some $50 bills so I could minimize the stuffing. So today we're putting 77. We're doing 3 20s, a 10, a 5, and 2 singles. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77. And we're going to add this to our envelope. Want it to be nice and neat. So we add this. So like I said, the only envelope left in this particular box is number 76. And isn't that so neat though? It's like so neat and nice. So $100 envelope is done. Next thing we're stuffing is our 52-week challenge. And since we're starting on the low side, we're just doing this because it's very small. It's a very small amount. So we're stuffing $7 today. I ordered some new Sharpies, so should be coming. So today we're putting $7, and that should be 28. So we're adding a 5 and 2 singles. So we now have 20, 5, 6, 7, 8. $28. And that's for paycheck 706. Then we're going to do our monthly challenge, which is our little binder. And we're stuffing July 6th. So we're going to July and we're putting $6. 5, 6. And that's for paycheck for July 6th. And we're going to cross out that date on our tracker. So July 6th is stuffed. Then we're doing $10 to our monthly challenge that will be used to stuff sinking funds. And we're adding a $10 bill to July's envelope. So that's going to be 110. And we'll be coloring something. Let's do a bright color. Let's do the grill. Ooh, I always mark my hands up for these markers. Daggone it. So we add $10, so we should have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And that's correct. So that's stuffed. Then we're going to do our fake fun money. So my 10,000 challenge is getting $200, and I didn't take out my fake money. But but it's getting 1,000 today, so that's good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna add one of the fake $1,000 bills to it. So on 706, we add 200. So now we have 1,000. Emergency fund is getting 50. And have a binder with my fake bills. So we're gonna take a 50 and we need 25 for my $25 challenge. So this is gonna be 3,400. So 706. We add 50. Now we have 3,400. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's put a. How do we take out the 50? But let's put 100 though. Need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 3,400 in our emergency fund. And then for our final envelope, our $25 challenge should be $8.25. Oops. Messy, messy, messy. So we're gonna have $8.25 in this envelope. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 25. So 706 paycheck, we add 25. Now I have 825. We didn't add anything else in any more envelopes. The only thing left is my mystery challenge, which is my favorite. So now mystery challenge, we're supposed to stuff $25. What do I say? Oh, for my wallet. So this one we're putting 25. Let's get one of the better 20s. Okay. Sometimes you fold it. So this envelope is 25. I can't wait to unstuff them. So 25 is going in the back. And the next envelope on the roster says, become so financially secure that you forget it's a payday. Wow. That would really make me excited to forget when I'm getting paid. So we're going to scratch this one for next week. And, oh, sucky. It says picked. That I must pick the amount that I want to save. Pick the amount 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 I want to save. How about I leave it for next week and I pick next week? Or that wouldn't be fair. Would it be fair? I gotta pick on the spot. I think that's best. I'm gonna pick $20. So next week we're gonna stuff $20 in our mystery challenge. Because I don't want to pick a large amount and then get screwed over. So I'm gonna pick $20. So that was cool. $20. So that's our mystery challenge. Of course, I usually do my wallet first, but didn't. And you guys are going to be proud of me this week because I didn't spend any money. I have everything in here, including giving. Not because I didn't want to give, but because I didn't see my girl on the street today. I didn't see my guy at the subway. Maybe because I didn't go much places this week. So we're going to roll over the money. And we're adding $80 to groceries. 20, 40, 60, 80. We're adding $80 to the grocery envelope. In case my son do buy groceries, I can give him some extra so we can stock up. So we have 80 in groceries, and everything else we're gonna add $5 more. But we're gonna leave eating out. Let's add $5 more to eating out. Going forward, we're gonna be trying to carry over certain monies because we won't be able to stuff as we used to, like I said. So eating out is gonna keep it 20 plus add 5. Emergency still has 10. We're gonna leave that 10. Household has 10. Giving still has a 5. My 20, I'm gonna put it in my Lizzy envelope. And then we have 15. I'm gonna add it to my spending. Let's fold it this way. So now I have 15. Eating out has 25. Groceries has 80. Emergency and household still have the 10. And giving has 5. So that's pretty much it for my stuffing today. I hope you guys enjoy my very short, it's not very short, but it's a little short. It's shorter than it usually is video. And like I said, my concentration is debt, so I won't be stuffing as much as I used to for a while. And that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it today. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, just give us a thumbs up and let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet. And thank you for visiting. And thank you guys who have all subscribed to my channel. I'm actually at 62 subscribers. I want to thank you guys very, very much for subscribing and watching my videos. And just want to let you know I appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.